get them up. Everybody up, love it look, yeah, get them up.
Hey YouTube, Wagwan, welcome back to the channel guys. So today we're doing a little update on the 535, doing a little update, but further ado, make sure you guys like, comment and subscribe, and let's get into the video, man. But first, let me give you guys like a walk around. I know I got some carbon fiber mirror caps for this to put on. They right there. But yeah guys, it's kind of a little bit dirty right now, and if y'all didn't see the video of the carbon fiber wing, make sure y'all go check it out. But so far so good guys. And also I got the diffuser with the third brake light. Go check that out too. And also the install of the M Sport rear bumper with the, and also these are the OEM reflectors. I just take the clips off and then just put them in with glue. But yeah guys, so this video is kind of like what I've done so far. So yeah guys, and make sure y'all like, comment and subscribe, and let's get it, man. Okay guys, so what I've done so far, I got the M Sport front bumper. As you guys could see in the previous video, we swapped this out, and also we swapped out the OEM grill because these look way better. We got those off eBay. And also I got the lower grills on eBay too, so I swapped those out. But no worries guys, this is gonna get wrapped soon, so don't worry about the color. And also, as you guys could see from right here, I custom wrapped the A pillar. So far I did fog lights, lower grill, these grill right here, front bumper, the A pillar. That was like cheap because I did it myself. And also the interior, as y'all remember, I sprayed these. I got some spray can from like Home Depot, and soon I'm gonna put on this carbon fiber mirror cap. But it's cheap guys, y'all could do this from home. And also I paint the wheels black. And coming to the rear, as you guys can see, I got the M Sport rear bumper. Got this diffuser off eBay. You could get it with the third brake light, or you could get the ones that doesn't have the third brake light. But I got that off eBay, and yesterday I put this one on, the carbon fiber wing. And soon I want to get some coilovers for it, and probably some side splitters, and the rear one that goes like right here, like the winglet apron. So that's what I got in mind. And probably I put like a little windshield spoiler right here. And soon I'm gonna wrap the roof carbon fiber, and I'm gonna get the carbon fiber for this part. And also I got some carbon fiber overlay. You could get it for cheap. They look really good, super glossy. And I got some window visor coming for the car, so make sure y'all stay tuned for that. And also we got a nice ass view right here. Got a nice ass view, man. So that's a 535 f10. gonna see if I could get like a good ass thumbnail for y'all. Let me see real quick. Yeah, I think this shot look good, man, with the background and all of that. So yeah, guys, for sure, we're gonna have to put like a front lip on it, or front splitter, I should say. So I think I'm gonna put the front splitter on before put the coilovers on. But it's looking good so far. I can say the black wheels look way better than the chrome. Black looks way better, man. Only thing this needs right now is just a little bit low, and it will be good. And also, guys, I want to show you what I've done so far, but I doubt y'all gonna see most of it. But I did the charge pipe right there, and also I did the boost pipe, but I don't know if you guys gonna see it. It's like right there. So I did the boost pipe, and also I did the upgraded intercooler, but you're not gonna see it because it's behind the radiator. But yeah, guys, and also let me know down in the comment section if I should paint this one purple too, this crossbar piece. I think it would look good. I don't know, just let me know, guys. I'm thinking about painting it, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, guys, so yeah, guys, I found a better spot so y'all could see the background a little bit better, the view. And I just came and parked up right here, trying to get some content for you guys. Looking good, man. And as I said, front splitter coming soon, and coilovers. I know it's a monster truck right now, especially the rear ones. You could see everything, so I'm probably gonna need some 15mm spacers, and the side splitter right there, side splitter, front splitter, and probably further down the line I get some wheels. But for right now, I'm rocking the stocks because I painted them black. And also, videos coming soon on the brake caliper. Those gonna get color change soon, so stay tuned for that. And that's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and peace. I'll catch you in the next one.